Hello friends, welcome to ProTalent and I'm Nitin Parmar. I'm going to discuss about MBA interview preparation part in this module. Great. And the third question. This is very crucial. My dear students, if you are preparing for top business school, one advice if I may make to you, I may give it to you is this, that always prepare thoroughly well for your educational qualifications. I know many of your mentors may not give you this idea, but believe me, follow this idea. Your 70-80% of interview or 70-80 percentage of selection is dependent on your knowledge about your educational qualification. Sir, what are you talking about? I was an engineer. You can say I was a chemical engineer. Then later on, I went to computer, that is IT world. I was doing coding for 3 years. Now I got call from IIM Ahmedabad. Okay. Do I need to talk about my chemical engineering? Yes, you must. The examiner in the interview room will be definitely aware about all the basic concepts of chemical engineering, and he will definitely ask you questions about chemical engineering. Yes, it is very important. Also, he will definitely ask you question ki why from chemical engineering to computer, that is IT world, and then from chemical to IT and from IT to management, those kind of connection. Okay. So first thing you should prepare for is all concepts related to your educational part, whether it is BA in economics or BCom. So all accountancy knowledge, economics knowledge. In economics, all macro, micro, everything you should be knowing. For engineering or for let's say science, you should know all theory, all concepts. Okay. Whatever being taught to you in your school, in your college, you must, you can say, revise everything. Number one. Number two, with those concepts, anything which is connected to current affair. For example, you are from physics and you have studied astrophysics. So there may be some new telescope coming in the market. Okay, some new satellite being sent. You can say some new discovery has come out. You must know this. They will definitely check whether are you really aware about this or not. So one, your concepts, theory, application, whatever is there in your textbook. One, second part, connected to that in the application front, in the current affair part, that is you should know. Okay. Okay. So one is a textbook part. In the textbook, whatever the application, whatever the problems being raised, okay, that you must know. Whatever the problems of today's world in that field, you should know, whether it is accountancy, whether it is economics, whether it is engineering, whatever today's problem are there, you must know this. Then number two, you must know the current issue. Yes or no? That is very important. Yes. Then at the same time, you must know that how we can say well, that knowledge will get connected to your MBA. You must have your own reason. Remember why an examiner is asking that question, that look, you are a chemical engineer. Okay, why do you wish to come to an MBA program? Okay, he wished to know that do you have inner drive to come to this MBA program? Okay, will you be comfortable, okay, mentally to connect to different world? If your mind, your brain, okay, your heart is connected to connecting this engineering and this MBA part, okay, you are happy, you are very excited to do your MBA, it is okay for any interviewer. But if you are not okay, you are not happy, you are not excited, okay, and you feel that there are two different worlds due to some pressure, you are sitting in the interview room, examiner is not interested to keep those kind of people, because at the end of the day you may drop out in between. Okay, who would want you to drop out from the course? Nobody. No college, no teacher would be very happy to, you can say, take a student who is for sure going to drop out because he is not satisfied with his decision. Okay, this is very important. Okay, so thereby they would like to know that what are the parameters on which you chose your undergrad degree and on what basis you are shifting from that undergrad degree to the management degree. Yes or no? Is that very clear? So one, you must know your academic knowledge, whether there are theories provided, laws are provided, some rules are provided, some, you can say, standard, you can say, parameters are there. For example, let's say for engineering, certain, you can say, laws are there, certain kind of units for certain, you can say, parts are provided. You must know all about that. Okay, then you must be in a position to connect that educational qualification with your management degree, okay, with your past education, okay, and are you really comfortable within or not? Remember, at the end of the day, a B school is an academic institute. It checks your academic capability. You may not be very strong in terms of your presentation. Your communication skills are not super duper hit. That's okay for them. But do you have a good academic capability? They would like to check that. Okay, so that means always prepare thoroughly well for all your academic thing. If one, you can say, suggestion you take from this, always take this idea that, you can say, focus on all subjects. Repeat everything. Repeat whatever you have studied in your first year, second year, third year. Please go through that. That's very important. Yes, this is very crucial, my dear students. So I hope I could, you can say, help you to, you can say, develop a good thought process about preparation part. These are the three important questions I covered in this video. Yes, my dear students, if you wish to have more questions covered, please ask me in the comment section. I will be preparing next few more videos on how to answer. Yes, this is how to answer. I hope it is very clear to you. Great. So, my dear students, don't miss out to like this video, subscribe to our channel, and tell to large number of people to be part of Pro Talent. Okay. Thank you very much and all the best.